like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion, like how a single.
Alright guys, I had to pick a very good position. I don't know, I prefer sitting down like this. I don't know, the up position is just kind of, yeah. Anyways, today I'll be making a ponytail, a hair ponytail with a fox bang. I think it's a fox bang. And actually I was supposed to create this look for a very long time, but I've been holding up on some things. So today I decided to do it, and I tried out creating a fox bang wig yesterday, and this is what I achieved. Yeah, it's a wig. You can see it from here. Well, it's not really perfect, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to wear this on. Sorry, let me arrange the mannequin head so you can see what I'm talking about. This is it. This is my fox bang wig. I actually had to make it myself using a human hair to make this. Then for my ponytail, I've done with a human hair before. I want to go this time around and using, I already picked this up already. This is Darling Yaki. Darling, that's the product I'm using. I've done this ponytail, but not with a braiding hair. In some part of Nigeria, we call it attachment. So this is it, the braiding hair. I'm going to do a braiding hair with the high ponytail, and I want it to look really dramatic. That's why I'm adding this up. So guys, we're going to start this video. Yeah, we're going to start. What's up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed this simple video. I promised to do a video of how I created this fox bank wig. I am going to do a video and also post it here so that you all can see what I did. I hope you enjoyed this simple small video. If you have any question, you can drop it down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye guys, see you in my next video.
Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one mouth.